Welcome to QuikHalal, the mobile auditing apps that helps auditors to prepare, plan, execute, and produce halal audit reports. In this video, we will guide you step by step on what to do before you start audit. First, log into your QuikHalal account. Once you are in, you can see the list of module selection based on your scheme. Select your module. Next, pick your premise, or you may click Find Premise to find your preferred premise. Finally, select your company size based on your business scale. You may choose micro, small, or large and medium. That's it. Now, you can see the details of your audit report that consist of company logo, company name, address, title, module, auditor name, auditor position, date and time. In this page, you can change the title of your audit report. And you also can rename the auditor position. Click Start Audit button once you're ready to start. Log in to QuikHalal now and simplify your halal auditing journey. Visit www.holisticslab.my to know more about our apps.